Castor oil. This humble oil, pressed from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, holds a fascinating history and a wealth of potential benefits. For centuries, cultures around the world have turned to castor oil as a natural remedy for various ailments. From ancient Egypt to Ayurvedic medicine, castor oil has a long and storied past. Today, modern science is catching up to what traditional healers have known for generations. Castor oil is a potent natural remedy with a wide range of applications. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid with remarkable therapeutic properties. One of the most celebrated benefits of castor oil is its ability to transform your skin while you sleep. Applying castor oil before bed allows it to work its magic throughout the night, penetrating deep into the skin to deliver its nourishing properties. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil boasts powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a formidable opponent against acne. It works by reducing inflammation, fighting off acne-causing bacteria, and preventing clogged pores. The result? Clearer, smoother, and healthier-looking skin. Castor oil is also a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This makes it an excellent choice for those with dry or dehydrated skin. Applying a thin layer of castor oil before bed helps to lock in moisture throughout the night, leaving you with a plumper, more hydrated complexion come morning. Castor oil's ability to boost collagen production can help to minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, giving your skin a smoother, more youthful appearance. A good night's sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your sleep quality, castor oil might just be the answer. Castor oil's calming and relaxing properties can help to ease you into a peaceful slumber. One theory behind castor oil's sleep-enhancing properties lies in its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties may help to calm the nervous system, reducing feelings of stress and anxiety and promoting relaxation. Another way castor oil might enhance sleep is by improving circulation. This improved circulation can help to deliver more oxygen and nutrients to the muscles and tissues, promoting relaxation and reducing muscle tension, which can contribute to a more restful sleep. While castor oil's skin and sleep benefits are impressive, its potential applications extend far beyond the surface. This versatile oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems to address a wide range of health concerns, and modern research is beginning to validate many of these traditional uses. One area where castor oil shows promise is in supporting digestive health. Castor oil has long been recognized for its laxative properties, helping to relieve constipation and promote regularity. It works by increasing the movement of the intestines, helping to move waste through the digestive tract more efficiently. Beyond its laxative effects, castor oil is also believed to possess anti-inflammatory properties that may benefit the digestive system. These properties could be particularly helpful for individuals dealing with inflammatory bowel conditions, such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties may also extend to joint health, with anecdotal evidence suggesting that applying castor oil topically to sore joints can help to reduce pain and inflammation. Section 5 User Stories. Real people, real results. The true testament to any remedy lies in the experiences of those who have used it. And when it comes to castor oil, the testimonials are overwhelmingly positive. People from all walks of life are discovering the transformative power of this ancient oil, experiencing improvements in their skin, sleep, and overall well-being. Take, for example, Sarah, a young woman who struggled with persistent acne for years. After trying countless creams and treatments with little success, she decided to give castor oil a try. She started applying a small amount of castor oil to her face before bed each night and was amazed by the results. Within weeks, her acne began to clear, and her skin felt softer and smoother than ever before. Then there's John, a retired teacher who suffered from chronic insomnia. He found that applying a small amount of castor oil to his feet before bed helped him fall asleep faster and stay asleep throughout the night. These are just two examples of the countless success stories surrounding castor oil. Section 6 The Science Behind the Magic. Understanding castor oil's power. While anecdotal evidence and traditional use provide compelling reasons to consider castor oil, it's important to understand the scientific basis behind its purported benefits. Modern research is beginning to shed light on the mechanisms by which castor oil exerts its effects, providing a deeper understanding of its potential therapeutic applications. As mentioned earlier, castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that accounts for approximately 90% of its composition. Ricinoleic acid is believed to be responsible for many of castor oil's health benefits, due to its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and analgesic properties. Studies have shown that ricinoleic acid can effectively reduce inflammation by inhibiting the production of certain inflammatory chemicals in the body. This anti-inflammatory action is thought to contribute to castor oil's ability to soothe skin conditions like acne and eczema, as well as its potential to relieve joint pain in conditions like arthritis. Section 7. A word of caution: potential side effects and considerations. While castor oil is generally considered safe for topical and occasional oral use, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and precautions. One of the most common side effects associated with oral castor oil use is its laxative effect. While this can be beneficial for relieving constipation, excessive use can lead to diarrhea, dehydration, and electrolyte imbalances. Topical application of castor oil is generally well tolerated. However, some individuals may experience mild skin irritation, redness, or itching. It's always a good idea to perform a patch test on a small area of skin before applying castor oil to a larger area, especially if you have sensitive skin. Furthermore, it's important to purchase castor oil from a reputable source to ensure purity and quality. Section 8. Incorporating castor oil tips for nightly use. Ready to experience the potential benefits of castor oil before bed? Here are some tips to incorporate this versatile oil into your nightly routine for skin. Start with a clean face. Gently massage a few drops of castor oil onto your skin using upward circular motions. You can use castor oil as a standalone moisturizer or add a few drops to your favorite night cream. For best results, leave it on overnight and rinse off in the morning. For sleep, try a relaxing foot massage with castor oil before bed. Warm a tablespoon of castor oil in your hands and gently massage your feet for a few minutes. Section 9. Listen to your body. Finding your castor oil routine. When incorporating castor oil into your wellness routine, it's essential to listen to your body and find what works best for you. Just like with any natural remedy, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with different methods and dosages to find the routine that best suits your individual needs and preferences. Start slowly and gradually increase the amount of castor oil you use as needed. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust your routine accordingly. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult with your healthcare provider. Section 10. Embrace the nightly ritual. Your journey to wellness. Incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine is more than just a step in your skincare or sleep hygiene regimen. It's an opportunity to embrace a ritual of self-care, a moment of intentionality at the end of your day. As you gently massage the oil into your skin or breathe in its subtle aroma, allow yourself to unwind, release the stresses of the day, and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Remember, your journey to wellness is just that, a journey. Castor oil, with its rich history and therapeutic potential, can be a valuable companion on this journey, supporting your overall well-being from the inside out. Embrace the process, celebrate the small victories, and trust in the power of natural remedies to enhance your health and vitality. Like, share, subscribe and comment.